Our today's sewing project is we are going to shorten this bathing suit swimsuit. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. As you can see, we have this beautiful swimsuit in front of us. Today project is we're gonna shorten this bathing suit. If you are interested to this project, you have to watch till end. If you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. I teach sewing, cooking and DIY projects. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. So let's go ahead and start it out to the project. So here is our bathing swimsuit, and we are going to shorten this today. And I will be showing you step by step how to take measurements, cut your fabric, and how to get this gorgeous twin needle hem. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are ready to take measurements. So the total taken, we need 3.5 inches. Okay, so that's mean I am going to mark 3.5 inches distance from this hemming to actual taking in, and then I will also take a other mark 2.5 inches, means 1 full inch I gonna leave extra for our hemming. Okay, so just go ahead and take your measurements and we're gonna marking our fabric. Okay, so the one line we are taking 3.5, another one is 2.5. So simply, and if you notice, our hemming is not a straight, it's on a curvy, little curvy. So you just have to follow the directions, mark your fabric around the edges to the your measurement. So our one line is done. Now we're going to take our other line, which is 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5, and exactly same technique. I know you hardly can see it because this is the nylon fabric, so the marking not going deeper, but I can see them. Okay, and now the next part is cutting. And now it's time to cut our fabric. And I just pin up both panels together so we can just make a one cut quickly. Or you can cut separately as well. And now we are just going to do one fold here and the other one here, and we're just gonna take a top stitch. I'm going to replace my needle and then we will go ahead to our sewing machine. So if you notice, I have put pins on the top right side of my fabric, and we're gonna top stitch on the right side. Normally when we do other hems, we stitch from the backing, but this time we are stitching on a top so we can get exactly correct those two lines. Okay. created a perfect hem on this bathing suit. Especially this fabric is hard to work with, so you have to follow step-by-step directions, and I hope this video will help you out. And as you can see, we have did this bathing suit hemming very professionally. If you really get inspired by our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye.